Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Welcome to my channel today. I've got a story today coming out here on July the 25th, 2019, all about Royal Caribbean. They just announced and released their second quarter earnings for the year 2019, and things couldn't be better. Despite all the trials and tribulations that a number of cruise lines have had this year, including Royal Caribbean, all is well here. Couple of bad things that have happened. First of all, they lost Cuba. The Trump administration forbade cruise lines to go to Cuba out of the U.S., and that is costing Royal Caribbean, amongst other cruise lines, a lot of money because those cruises were going for prime dollars. But the good news is the Celebrity Edge cruise ship you see right here is bringing in top dollar for Royal Caribbean. Azamara, their other line, luxury line, doing very well. Silver Sea is now beginning to deliver serious profits. Silver Sea was bought by Royal Caribbean last year. I think it cost them $2 billion. And they've been upgrading the ships. It's a 6-star line, and they're going to make a lot of money on Silver Sea because of the power of the marketing department of Royal Caribbean. They will ensure that Silver Sea ships will be at full capacity, bringing in top dollar per night from all cabins. The other line is Pullmantur, which is the discount line they have in Europe. It's doing all right, but here's the deal on Royal Caribbean. There's 3 ways you can make more money. 1, you can increase prices. 2, you can decrease your costs. Or 3, you do both at the same time. And that's exactly what's happening. You're looking at photos here of the terminal, the brand new cruise terminal. They just opened this last year in Miami. This terminal has added to the bottom line of Royal Caribbean. Normally, you don't think about a terminal making a cruise line money because it's a necessary evil. You have to have an embarkation point, a debarkation point, but this terminal has allowed Royal Caribbean to increase its efficiencies with regards to getting people off the ship and on the ship for the next cruise. The turnaround time is as low as ever. The efficiency of the turnaround is even more pronounced. And an outfit like Royal Caribbean can buy thousands of lobster tails at a time at a huge discount. They can buy just tons and tons of flour and salt and butter and everything else to make the onboard buns and treats and donuts and cakes and you name it. The efficiency of the salad making is unbelievable. What a lot of passengers don't know is a lot of the food you see on cruise ships is prepared off-site. Royal Caribbean, among other large cruise lines, have off-site processing centers in Florida where they do a lot of prep work for the food, and it's then loaded onto the ship right from refrigerated units right into the refrigerated units on board the ship. And the sous chefs have even less work to do on board the ship. It just speeds everything up and makes everything on a volume basis. In other words, Royal Caribbean is prepping food for all of their ships coming in and out of Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and Port Canaveral, just to give you an idea, even Tampa. It's incredibly efficient. So the costs go down, the profits go up. The charges go up, the profits go up. It just goes around and around. For 2018, the cruise line in the second quarter, they made $482 million in 2018. 2019, $532 million in profits. So another $50 million in net profits in 90 days. That is a lot of extra money. It looks like for the year, expected profits for Royal Caribbean will hit $2 billion plus US dollars net earnings. This is exceptional. We're talking about gross revenues now around the 20 billion mark. It is exceptional. How do you make more money on reducing costs? Keep in mind, they are now operating the Perfect Day at Coco Cay facility in the Bahamas. They also have Labadee here in Haiti. The cruise ships are going to start overnighting later this year and next year in the perfect day at Coco Cay. So the ship, instead of traveling 1,000 miles at sea, will travel 80 miles to 150 miles at sea to go to a perfect day at Coco Cay. In the meantime, you can enjoy all the onboard amenities, obviously, but once you get to the resort island, you're staying there. The ship isn't moving. It's not burning a lot of fuel. Just sit and park. They'll keep their generators running, obviously, for all the air conditioning, the lighting, the plumbing, and all of that. But on the island, the private island, they're making a killing. They're making an absolute fortune by selling passes to the water rides, to the hot air balloon rides, and all the other amenities. These are huge money makers. Of course, on board, you've got all your amenities that you expect, from Starbucks to specialty restaurants, your ice creams, your treats. It's all there. Don't forget the drinks. This company is firing on all cylinders. So there you go. There's a brief recap of what's happening. The phone apps are working. They're making extra money. Onboard spending is surging. The refurbishment program for celebrity ships is working. The ships are refreshed on Royal Caribbean as well. That is working. And so you're offering passengers an area to spend money on board the ship, off the ship, and just to get on the ship. Congratulations to the executives at Royal Caribbean. There you go. There's the latest. Join me Monday nights live, 8 o'clock, for a live cruise ship talk. And please subscribe to my channel today. Make sure to hit that bell notification icon. You'll get a report, an update every time I issue a new video. And we'll catch you next time, everybody. Take care. Bye for now.